Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new video. Today's speaking topic is how can a student become successful in life? Now I'm starting my answer. Well, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak about uh, on this topic. If a student performs his duty properly, he will be successful in his life. And most important, discipline is a very important for a student. A passion student always complete his duty, always complete his responsibility properly. He should have a proper plan. A student should have a proper plan in his life and work hard consistently. Besides, some important qualities are required for a student to succeed in life. Now, I will share those qualities. They are patience, hard work, good planning, well wish, and focus on the goal. A student maintain these qualities, he will or she will successful in his life. That's all for the time being. Thank you so much. Now your turn. Now, what do you think about this? Drop on the comment box. Assalamu alaikum.